What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Full Throttle Auto. My name is Harris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on a 9th gen Honda Accord. Coming up. First thing I want to mention when I say 9th gen Accord, I mean 2013 or 2017 Honda Accord. And my Accord is a 2014 sedan LX. The filter I went with was a Wix Filters 24815 that I picked up on Amazon. Or honestly, you can pick up any filter you would like. I just went with this particular one. Just like a lot of modern cars, you're going to want to go to the front passenger side door, open up the glove box. There's going to be a little arm that's connected to a tab on the right side of the glove box. Push that away from you. Then you're going to squeeze the side of the glove box with decent force to be able to remove it further down. Once that's done, you're going to see a door that you're going to open. You just got to squeeze the sides of it. When removing the filter, make sure to see which way the arrow is pointing. This is going to determine the airflow for the filter. In this case, on these cars, it is downwards. With the new filter, make sure that you see which way the arrow is pointing so you can put it the same direction as the old one. And then everything's going to go back in reverse. Put the little door over the filter. Squeeze the sides again to put the glove box back up. And then finally attach the arm to the tab. And you're all set. And that's it. It's real simple, real easy. It's pretty much the same on a lot of vehicles that are at least newer design. It seems to be the same process. If you watched the previous video I did it on a Hyundai Santa Fe, and it was very similar. So the actual process could apply to other cars, but in this case, it is for this specific car. I do hope that this helped out anybody who was told that they need to do their cabin air filter, but the price maybe to do it was a little high, you couldn't afford it, and you wanted to do it yourself. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel for more videos like this one, and of course other types of videos. If you like car stuff, make sure to check out the actual channel to see what other videos that are there that you might enjoy. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.